In this problem, we're given that the numeric area of this quadrilateral is 48. So we want to determine the perimeter of it. Well, if we look at this side, we would subtract the y values, 4 and -2, and see that this side length is 6. If we compare the x values here and subtract them, we get x plus 3. That would be the length of this side. So we know that these two sides, 6 times x plus 3, equals 48. So we divide by 6, and x plus 3 is 8. And then subtract 3, and we get x equals 5. So now we want the perimeter of this shape. So it's going to be 6 and 6, and x plus 3 and x plus 3. So 6 plus 6, but x is 5. So if we add 3, it's 8 plus 8. And so when we add these, 6 and 6 is 12, 8 and 8 is 16, 12 and 18 is 28. There's our perimeter, and we're done.